From the Millersville University Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Kyle Elliott here with the short-term forecast and video discussion issued on Monday, May 18th. One early season heat wave will bake the Lower Susquehanna Valley through the middle of the week as high temperatures approach, challenge, or even exceed record levels. So without further ado, let me start by taking a look at our daily climatology. I'm expecting a high of 94 degrees this afternoon at Millersville, which is 20 degrees above the normal high of 74. And it's certainly possible that today's record high temperature of 95 degrees from 1962 could certainly be tied this afternoon. This morning's low of 63 degrees is well above our normal low of 50 and way above the record low of 35 set in 1935. Taking a look at the sky cam from Millersville University, well, you see those sunny skies out there. In fact, there's not a cloud in the sky on the Millersville sky cam right now, and you can see those hazy and hot conditions in place across the region. The visible satellite imagery backs that up. There's not a cloud in the sky across northern Maryland and southeastern PA, and that's going to be the case through much of the day. As we take a look at the European model for 8 p.m. this evening, well, you'll notice we have this sprawling high-pressure system over this western Atlantic, what meteorologists deem the Bermuda High. And on its backside, we have this broad south-southwesterly flow originating from the Gulf and the southern states, and that's what's drawing that record-challenging heat northward into the mid-Atlantic states. That high-pressure system is going to remain in place through tomorrow. In fact, tomorrow will likely be the hottest day of the period with high temperatures in the mid to upper 90s, and the record high temperature tomorrow of 95 degrees at Millersville, also set in 1962, will likely be tied or perhaps even broken with enough sunshine. You'll notice we do have a strong, potent cold front slicing through the central states on Tuesday. That's going to move southeastward from Tuesday into Wednesday and ultimately reach the lower Susquehanna Valley by Wednesday afternoon. So after a mostly sunny and hot Wednesday morning, in fact, I do think high temperatures will be back up around 90 degrees by midday. Clouds should increase by Wednesday afternoon, and then showers and thunderstorms will erupt along and just ahead of that cold frontal boundary. Right now, I'm not currently anticipating any severe weather, but still, some of the most intense storms will produce frequent lightning, locally heavy downpours, and wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. But again, before that front arrives, it is still going to be a oppressively hot Wednesday morning with high temperatures up around 90. Fortunately, although it will be humid by May standards, it won't be oppressively humid, so heat indices should be similar to or just 1 to 3 degrees higher than the actual air temperature, so I really don't expect them to exceed 100 degrees at any point over the next 3 days. So taking a look at the short-term Campus Weather Service forecast, mainly clear, warm and muggy tonight, low 66. Mostly sunny, hot and humid on Tuesday with record-breaking heat, high 96. Increasing clouds, hot and humid on Wednesday with afternoon showers and thunderstorms with a high of 90. Now, because this is extreme heat for such an early time of the year, and we really haven't had a chance to acclimate to the heat at all, despite the humidity only being modest for temperatures of this range, you will want to drink plenty of non-alcoholic beverages, take frequent breaks from the heat, and wear loose-fitting lightweight clothing early this week to reduce the risk of heat-related illnesses. Never leave children or pets under 10 in a vehicle either, as its internal temperature can reach 120 degrees in just 10 to 15 minutes on a 95-degree day. Well, that'll do it for this edition of the short-term forecast. Tune back in next Tuesday for the latest edition, as next Monday is Memorial Day. Until then, stay cool and stay hydrated through the middle of the week.